Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do an unboxing for you here real quick. I've actually already unboxed it a little while ago because I couldn't help myself. But the Jegs Torch 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive solid axle monster truck. This thing is a brute. Very cool. And yeah, I've already unboxed it. Um, like I said, I couldn't help myself. Had some other stuff going on and had to get into it. Um, the drivetrain, 4-wheel drive, center shaft, drivetrain, more power transfer to the wheels. Man, slipper clutch. It's got steel axle shafts, steel drive shafts. This thing's a beast, guys. Your weights and heights and all that kind of stuff. The gearbox, big old monster truck tires, etc. Man, she is a sweetheart. 40 amp brushed ESC. Very cool. Let me get rid of a couple things here. Ooh. And we'll go with the truck. I mean, dude, she's just beautiful. When I first saw this, it looks like fire, real fire kind of thing, especially being called the Torch. I added the Jegs sticker on it because it comes with a whole sheet of Jegs stickers. But if you look at the fire, it's actually Jegs' name, the logo, all through the fire of the truck. I mean, man, it just looks freaking cool. The way that they did that, unreal, And then the back of it, I put the black Jeg sticker on it. But it's still got the Jegs real fire look. I mean, man, it's just cool as heck. Yeah, get the body off here for you. The body pins, I bent them up a little bit just to make them easier to get them out. I hate fighting with body pins, especially when I'm doing them one-handed like this right now. Ah, come on. Okay, there we go. But pretty simple. Underneath, you got your ESC box, your servo, on-off switch, ESC, or your receiver box, excuse me, your ESC. I changed the plug to my XT90 because that's what I do. Sorry guys, had to check something. Battery tray, pretty simple. Got a little door thing that moves. Little arm, slide that up over, and it just slides into place real easy. Nice little setup there. I mean, man, she's just cool. Got your basic monster truck straight axle look. Double coilover shocks. Kind of stiff. What I'll probably do what Steve at Shen RC did, and take one of the springs out and just have it as an oil filled. And I think he actually took some of the oil out of it and just left one shock alone, and then the other shock took the spring out, and then also put the drop the oil level down. But yeah, I got that. And then your Jegs radio, which is really cool. I like these. You can do your adjustments pretty much on the fly. If you need to go the left, right, whatever, forward, reverse, throttle, setup, whatever. You can do it all right there. The rubber on this is really, I don't know, it just feels good. The radio feels good in the hand. It's kind of cheap, but it feels good. So, I'm not going to worry about it one bit because it's a good little deal. But yeah, so like I said, I wanted to do an unboxing earlier, and I've just been too many other things going on, and wanted to get that done because I'm taking this out with me to the flying club today, the RC club. I gotta remember that now. I'm changing it. It's going to an RC club, so because we're gonna run trucks and that kind of stuff out there too. So it won't be just airplanes, but I want to take this out and get its first run, and also do some flying and test a camera that I don't have a whole lot of hope for, but got it at Ollie's, and I don't know, it's like a knockoff GoPro thing, and I don't know. We'll see about that. But anyway, yeah, guys, I just wanted to give this video out to you so I can make some room on my phone so I can go on out and do some run video on this bad boy today. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And you guys stay tuned for more cool stuff coming. And like I said, flying season's here finally. I'll be flying today and probably tomorrow too. And it'll be a fun time. So take care, guys. Thanks. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.